Hi, in this video we'll talk about something called CDR, which is current divider rule. This way we can use it in parallel or partially parallel circuits. Why we use it? Because it saves time. What we are using the feature of the parallel. When two elements are parallel, they have the same voltage. So this is our circuits today. The E, if you see it here, it's equal to 60 volts. This is the battery, and it's go like this. Then it's become a 2 connected to 2 parallel resistors. This resistor 1, resistor 2. Resistor 1 is 20 ohm, resistor 2 30 ohm. They are common in 2 points. That's make them parallel. And this is just showing the current in this circuit's direction of this current, and it goes like I2 through R2 and I1 going through R1. And this is the rest of the circuits. So this wire, like we know, and this resistors, anything consume electricity. And this is the source, which is battery, because it's DC. So what's I2? I2 is VR2 divided by R2. And from KVL we know this line got two V's, or one source, two elements, one source and the second resistor R2. So all V's will be on this one. So VR2 is 60. Or we just can say like this batteries got two common points with this resistors. This is the first point and this is the second point. And it's the same for R2. We got like from KVL, if you go outside, 60s and one consumer here, which is R1. So all 60 volt will go to this one. So VR1 also 60. And R1 got 2 points common with the E. So VR1 equals 60. So this is the first point with the batteries, and this is the second point with the batteries. Okay? So I1 is E divided by R2. So what's E in this circuits? It will equal I multiplied by R2, and I equal E over R total. What's R total in this case? Because it's parallel and two resistance, we'll use this law. The multiple of R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So this is R total, sorry. Now we want to move E from this equation and put what's equivalent for that. So E equal I multiplied by R total, and this is R total. So this is I and this is R total. Now we will move R total and put this one instead, as you see it here. And this is the R2, which is, I put it away just to make it easier to understand. I'll just put this one away like this. Now we put this one, all the equation like this. So we got I, and this is equal R total, and this is R2. So I multiplied by R1 multiplied by R2 divided by R1 plus R2 multiplied by 1 over R2. And because we got R2 and R2 up and R2 down, so we cancel it. We got this equation. This is for I2. This equation for I2. This is what we call it current divider rule. To find I1, it's the same, except if you see for I1 we use R2 up here, and for I2 we use R1. So this is one equation, and this is the other equation to find I2 and I1. Thank you. If there is any comment, please put it in the section of comment. Thank you.